Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is week 3 of Vlogmas. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on to the video. Anyways guys, I've been so tired. I've been buying like mad presents for the kids. I was trying to limit my present buying for the kids to like maybe 5 each. 3 maybe, 3 to 5 each. But every time there's like a sale, I was like, oh my gosh, let me get it. I found like a little tight slide and the normal price was $129. I saw on this like site that gives super good deals, it was like $40. So I had to get it. It was at Walmart. So I ended up ordering that. We don't even have a backyard. Like, what am I doing getting a slide? Where are they gonna use that at? So I'm over here just like getting these deal busters. I don't know, but Christmas is in how many days? It's soon. It's the 13th, so it's Monday. So Christmas is coming soon, and I haven't even moved our little elf on the shelf. Like, she's still in the same position. My daughter's like, your elf doesn't move. I always forget to move the elf. But today we are going to be working out. I'm getting ready to feed the kids because they're hungry. They've been waiting for their breakfast. So has Kimber. She's been annoying, barking at me. The year's going by fast. It's crazy. I also want to work on my vision board. You guys know every year since 2018, I think it's 2018, no, since 2019, maybe 2018, I've been doing vision boards. So I'm back, I changed my clothes. We are going, Korra, hold on. Korra wants to go in the garage, see? She's like ready to go because she know we about to work out. I'm probably gonna go on the treadmill and do a couple of squats, lunges, workouts in the garage. I noticed some of you guys are interested in my workout videos, so I'm just gonna be doing Vlogmas on Mondays. Like I said, I'll post Monday's my Vlogmas, and I'm also gonna have my workout videos in those Vlogmas. So yeah, don't worry guys, you're gonna see the little workouts. All right guys, so we're out here in the garage, right Kimber? I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the treadmill, and today I'm just gonna warm up, and then I'll probably do some exercises on the in the garage. I'm gonna pump it to 2.5. Oh shoot, we'll do 2.5 incline, and then I'm gonna go ahead and run and do all that extra stuff. You guys already know. Able to do my workout. Kimber ended up peeing in the garage, but Korra's like ready to take a nap, so I'll probably do my workout a little later after maybe she goes to sleep, and then I'll do my squats. But you tired, Korra? Yeah, you sleepy? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys see I still have a couple of boxes here that I still haven't gotten rid of, but eventually it will go away. Raining in California. Look at this. Look at this weather. Look at that. I had no idea that in California it rains a lot. I had no idea that that's their type of winter, is when it rains a lot. Getting ready to work out, but I noticed I didn't do a progress of how I'm looking. So here's what I'm looking like. Got a second. Relax. This is me relax. This is like skin that I still gotta like get rid of. And my diastasis, so this is how we're looking. Let me bend down. Thighs, thighs, toes, 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 toes. Anyways, yeah, so this is how I'm looking, guys. Guys, Korra already knows. Hey, so it is raining. I just picked up Kimira from school. It's raining super hard. I already told you guys it was raining, but it's raining super hard. I'm gonna show you guys my front. The front of our
guess what?
rain. You guys can't even tell. Well, it slowed down, so. Korra, your water's right there. Anyways, yeah, it was raining. We can't even take Kimber out to our backyard because it's just straight mud, like literally straight mud. We don't know what it is, but it's a glossy box. I think I know what it is, but I'm not sure. Oh, it's Bumble and Bee. I'm definitely gonna do a video review for you guys. So they sent me this box, so let's go ahead and see what it is. Oh, it's cute. So we're gonna take the whole box out. Let's see. Bumble and Bumble. This is cute. It says what your curls are craving. Let's see what products they sent. Oh wow, they sent their new curl shampoo, conditioner. Sorry, Korra's like grabbing the pamphlet.
You could use that for my hair.
Ooh, I'm definitely gonna do a review, guys. We're gonna open it. Wow. Wow. Hi, Korra. What is this one? They got the shampoo, BB curl. I've never tried the Bumble and Bumble hair products, but this is my first time. So they got the BB defining cream, the anti-humidity gel oil. Oh wow. I also have the 3-in-1 conditioner. Oh, I love 3-in-1 conditioners. And we have the BB curl reactivator. Rig. Say hi, Kamden.
I got new toys.
You got new toys?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Let me show you.
Kamden gonna show us his new toys.
Hello.
Whoa, what dinosaur is that? A what? Cool. Cool. It's a Stegosaurus. Look, this one want to be carried. Go. Say hi. Say good morning. Guys, Korra's getting so used to me vlogging. Yeah, Korra? Yes, Kamden?
I want you to give me the argument.
Okay, well, you gotta finish that, Kamden. You want a little bit more? Okay. Let me give you a little bit more. You want a little goldfish. Guys, it is 36 degrees. Kamden, he has the cold, so I gotta keep him warm. Alright, Kimber. But you can see like the air. Oh, it's cold. Look at that. Can you see that? Alright, I'm wasting time. Let's go. I'll show you guys. Look at this ice. I've never seen ice before. Isn't that crazy? I couldn't even open my door. Ice. Alright guys, we're gonna be late for school. I'm over here like mesmerized. Mary, you forgot your backpack. Oh my gosh, I've never.
Stay up there.
It's so cold.
So we're also gonna.
Oh my gosh, what's going on with the AC? Let's go.
Gift card to.
So we went to Target and I ended up getting this for the kids just to keep them busy because they need something like arts and craft or something to do. And then Kamden wants to paint. He didn't eat breakfast yet, but he wants to paint. And my nose ring, I got them painting. Korra, you want to paint? Korra does not want to touch the paint. She's like, no. And Kamden,
let me show you.
Ooh, what are you doing, Kamden?
Like that.
Yep, that's cool. We need to wipe your nosies. You like it, Korra? Yeah, it's fun. While they're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and fix some breakfast for them. And breakfast for Kimber. Right, Kimber? She's getting so big, guys. I feel like she's getting taller. Yeah, Kimber, are you getting taller? Yeah? She's my little baby. Yeah, Kimber, you my little baby. Even though sometimes she does get in trouble a lot. You get in trouble a lot. Yeah, you get in trouble a lot. Too much. Too much time. Make daddy mad, huh? You make daddy mad. I saw a 30-pound waist and they were $54 just for one 30-pound weight. And I was like, oh my gosh. Maybe I'll get that for Christmas. But so I'm going to try and work out today. And then I have a video to edit so that I have something for you guys on Wednesday. Oh my gosh, guys, I just realized I was not recording, but I wanted to show you guys what I was doing for my workouts. we're just chilling, right, Korra? She's eating her peaches. Korra, say hi. And I'm just watching some videos on YouTube. I just uploaded my video about the Q&A. That's all I did today. So I'm just like browsing YouTube, not really doing much. Getting ready to go to bed. We start heading upstairs at 7 o'clock, so we have 15 minutes, and I gotta take Kimber out, get her last bathroom break, and then we're heading upstairs to go to bed. Is it good? It's yummy? No, you know you like peaches. I am on my way to get into the garage. I'm feeling kind of lazy. And my husband's here. I tell you, every time my husband's home, I get lazy to do workouts. I don't know why. It's just maybe his energy is like giving off that lazy, just sit down type of energy. I don't like it. Or what are you doing? You waiting? What? And we got Mr. Pirate Man. So today's December. Kamden, you're supposed to change the date, this calendar. Put it on the 14th. Yay!
You ready? Why are you recording?
Today's workout, I'm going to do 2.5, and then I'm going to crank this up to, we're going to start walking, so I'm going to just put 3 for now. So I'm dressed, getting ready to go work out. I'm going to just run on the treadmill, because I don't know, I've just been feeling like running lately.